Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more successful, more interesting and fun-filled for our students. The chapter that I am going to cover today is in the market of class 4. It is from the UP board. The chapter number is 15. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea that I am going to take today is self-created dictionary. This is a revision based idea. The students are asked to collect rough or waste papers, bind them together into a booklet which is called self-created dictionary. The innovation is that through the idea self-created dictionary, the students are able to learn new words and enrich their vocabulary. They add difficult word into the booklet that they create from the waste paper. They search the meaning of these new words and then write them in the new dictionary that they have created or in the booklet that they have made from the waste paper. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today, we are going to be covering the concepts of vocabulary and nouns by implementing the idea self-created dictionary. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the lesson in the market have already been done. The educator will implement the idea self-created dictionary through the following instructions. Ask the students to read the lesson in the market and note down all the nouns that they have read or the nouns that are new to them in an old notebook or the booklet that they have already made with the waste papers. Ask them to find out the meaning of all these nouns either by inquiring about them from their parents or elders at home or by consulting a dictionary. The students will go home, read the lesson, and note down the new nouns as per their level of understanding. They can ask their family members about their meanings or look them up in the dictionary and write them in an old notebook or the booklet that they have made. For example, the students may note down the following nouns: candle, block of wax with a central wick. After that, they will write down its meaning in Hindi as well, that will be Mombatti. Customer, people who buy goods or services from a shop. After that, the students will note down the meaning of the word customer in Hindi, which will be Grahak. The other word could be market. This is also a noun. And then after that, they will write its meaning first in English, an area where many objects are bought or sold. After writing the meaning in English, the students will also write its meaning in Hindi, which will be bazaar. More words could be added into this list. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter in the market. Infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. Use nouns in speech or writing. Use dictionary to find out spelling and meaning. The following key points are to be noted. This idea acts as a tool to enable the pedagogical practice for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection as also discussed in NCF 2005. The duration for the implementation of the innovative ideas is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio, which is PTR, is constant at 30 students and 1 teacher. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking and decision making while the students think about the nouns and write their meanings. Values of respect towards others will be touched upon when the students speak to their family members regarding the meaning of these new words or nouns. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.